Susan, you mind turning on the light?
No. Wow, look at that.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What else is there?
Uh-oh. Ava.
Gianna, what's in the red one? Oh, yeah, that's a nice girl. That's good. See that? Oh, well. Oh, uh-oh.
Gigi, ¿tú quieres leer el libro?
What's down in the, what else is in the box? See what else is in the box.
Okay.
Oh, boy.
Oh.
Sit there.
Wow. Wow, that looks like some good books. Some little books.
What is it?
Wow, look at that. Oh, yeah, look at that one.
Baba.
It is like your book with Baba. It says horns to toes.